Hey guys, it's my birthday today and we're going out.
Hello, ang ganda mo naman.
Ngayon, punta kami sa Festival Mall Alabang and naliligaw kami. And chine-check ni Faith kung saan kami pupunta. Ayan, sobrang Latina nila. So guys, first time lang namin pumunta dito nang kami-kami lang. So naliligaw kami. And pero nahanap na namin yung Festival Mall. Umikot-ikot pa kami kasi hindi namin alam kung saan yung entrance. Dito na kami sa loob ng mall.
Tapos kulang sa water yung
We're about to go to the Cybertruck. Totoo! This is us before riding the Cybertruck. Ang ingat! So yun, pag mag-ride kayo dito, no cell phones allowed. Hold eyeglass. Wala siyang makita. As before riding Cybertruck, this is us after Cybertruck. Guys, so masaya dito. Train nyo. Oh my God. Our next destination, yung Extreme Coaster. This is us before riding. This is us before riding Extreme Coaster. Ano dito? This is us after riding Extreme Coaster. We are tired na. 10 out of 10 for a small mall. 10 out of 10. I am already 21 and yes, nag-enjoy naman. How's your day, Gail?
sobrang saya.
Sobrang Latina.
First time ko lang yung ano.
Yung gano'n. Same. Yung ganong experience. Nakikita niyo ba? Nakikita ko. Carousel. Ang agenda namin today is punta kaming studio.